Hello everyone, hope you're all well. I'm here today to film a and other stories unboxing. We are here today to just chat all things and other stories. I've never done a only them haul, so I'm really excited, and it is an unboxing, so I haven't seen any of the things yet, but I wanted to tell you guys that this video is kindly sponsored by ShopTagger, and ShopTagger is a brand that I've worked with before, and I worked with them around Christmas time last year, I think, and I'm back today again to film with them because I have a story about a pair of shoes that I want to tell you. And I have been looking at these pair of shoes for so long, it feels like months, but I don't know if it is, and basically ShopTagger helped me nab them in the sale. So I'd been looking at these shoes. They're not your typical like black pump, you know, nude pump. They're quite out there, and I feel like they're very this season, but I didn't really want to spend a lot of money on them. I try not to spend too much money on shoes generally because I feel like I get them wrecked. Like when I go out, people trample on you, they throw drinks on you, you know, etc, etc. I really wanted to try and see if I could get them in a good deal, and guys, I scored. So ShopTagger is a web app that enables you to see and get notifications when an item either comes back into stock or goes on sale. These babies went on sale, so I think they were originally 79 or so pounds, and I got them for 26 or 27 pounds. That's like major high. I feel like Primark has that kind of pricing at the moment on their shoes. So I got them for such an amazing deal, and I'm so excited, and I hope they look amazing. And all you have to do is follow the link down below to download the ShopTagger browser button. And each time you have an item that you love, so I'm gonna go back on and other stories because there's a jumper on there that I love, but I feel like we're in kind of the transitional period already. The weather's doing all sorts of weird, that's why I'm losing my voice. I've got like a weird coldy thing going on at the moment. And I really wanted to save loads of good transitional pieces like this jumper. So all you have to do is click the ShopTagger browser button and you can save your item. And ShopTagger will give you push notifications either on your mobile or by email to tell you if the item is out of stock, if it's come back in, or they will tell you if it's gone on sale. You can even choose like the different sizes, colors and things like that, if there are any, and it will also give you the option of choosing whether an item is just going in price reduction generally, or you can choose like 25%, 50%. So you really tailor it to you, and you can also make like little wish lists. So I made a Christmas one last year, and now I've made like I've called it like transitional one because like I said, I'm trying to find pieces that work for now, but I'm also going to be able to wear when it gets colder. So definitely go and check out the link down below, you guys. It really is a great app, and you guys know I only work with companies and brands that I really love. So let's get on to this haul. I need to show you guys these shoes, and fingers crossed I love them as much as I thought. I have had this box now for a few days and I've been itching to open it. So just to show you guys, it's closed. And I have also a couple of bonus pieces that I'll show you guys at the end that weren't part of this haul, so that I've bought from Otherstories. So let's get snipping. That feels really good. I don't know why, that just felt really good. I actually have two pairs of shoes. One of them is the sale one, which I might peek into, which we will do first. Okay, no, it's not that one. It's this one. I love their boxes. I love their packaging. I tend to keep these and use them for when I'm selling stuff. So when I last checked today, these were still in stock. So I'm really excited. Okay. Oh my God, I love them. Okay, guys, these shoes were giving me such Balenciaga vibes. Like, oh my God, I love them. I also feel like I'm really into print clashing this season. So I feel like this with another print would just be like to die for. And I loved the heel high. I actually thought they were gonna be taller, but this is like my perfect heel high because I don't know why. I used to be so amazing at like walking in heels, like when I was around 18, 19, and now I just suck at it. I'm so rubbish. Oh my God, guys, look at these shoes. As I said, Balenciaga's doing something so similar with like two big Bs, but you guys know I don't really invest in shoes. These, like I said, are just gorgeous. I love the heel. It's got a slight indent here, which I've not seen before, and they just look uber comfy. Love the print. It's really transitional. I feel like it's a little bit more wintry as opposed to summery, which I like because, like I said, we're kind of getting into September, October, and these are only like 26, 27 pounds. Like, I can't get over that. They were 79 pounds. So obsessed with these. Here is the other one. These are gonna be my new babies. I also feel like purple is really in this season. So there we go. I love the heel height. Perfect pumps. And Thanks Shop Tagger, because I got myself a real bargain there. Okay, these are another pair of shoes that I've been dying to get because I wanted them mainly for work. I do really try and invest in my work shoes, or I kind of go the other way and I just buy really cheapy pumps from like Zara and stuff that I just basically rotate every year. But these were ones that I really, really wanted, and I just thought, Barbs, just go for it. You've wanted them for ages. If they sell out, you'll be gutted. So here they are. And they just package everything so beautifully. I think these are real leather as well. So here we go. Now, I know what you're all gonna say, these are such a dupe for something else, but like I said, I don't invest in my shoes, and it's not like I'm trying to copy, but I feel like these are such a classic shoe. Yes, they look exactly like the Gucci loafers, and they are from Otherstories. They feel so soft, and that's really important for me because like I said, I work and I'm so prone to blisters and stuff like that. But oh my God, I love them. They look really, really expensive, and they're the kind of shoe that if I get them trashed, like I won't feel too bad. Whereas like if I bought the Gucci loafers for work, I would be like, they wouldn't be on my feet for work, let's put it that way. I will link them down below. I hope they're comfortable, and just a really classic pair of shoes. There they are. Even with like jeans and the top I'm wearing now, you guys can tell I'm so into gold hardware still. But really classic for work. Don't know, this is something else. I think they packaged it together. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you the little item first. This is a pair of sunnies. I am so gutted because I had a pair of sunglasses like this from Zara, and I must have sat on them or had them in the car and like, I don't know, like chucked something, because I normally chuck my sunglasses in the seat next to me if I'm in the car on my own. But I saw these from Otherstories and I thought they were gorgeous. They come with the little dusty keeper holder thing, and these are them. I loved the fact that the tortoise shell is kind of like a little bit stronger and more defined than the ones I had before. And I also really like the shape. I know we're going away from summer, but I wear sunglasses year round because I drive and I'm just like accustomed to it. I'm not gonna try them on right now because I don't want to ruin my hair, because it's a very, yeah, this is also like my new hair look, guys, for this like whole month. I've just been so lazy with my hair, and I've been trying to use less heat on it because I want to get it dyed again, but I just want it to have like a bit of a break. So yeah, I'll try these on in the split screen, but I really like these, and they weren't too expensive. They're £25. I really haven't invested in sunglasses this year. Normally I really love like splurging, but I haven't been about that this year. This is another thing that I really kind of wanted to try. I don't know if I'll keep it. Out of everything here, I feel like at the moment, if there's anything I'm gonna send back, it might be this, unless the sunnies don't work. But this is a bum bag, or a belt bag, or whatever you wanna call it. And I really like these more around you, like kind of like your shoulders and stuff, as opposed to necessarily as a bum bag. But it's definitely nice to have both options. It looks much lighter on the website, but this is it. And they did have it in the black, but I missed out on the black. I kind of feel like I maybe would have rather, but I don't mind. I kind of like this really butterscotchy, gorgeous leather. It's so simple. It just has a opening here, and obviously you just tie it around your waist. But like this with a white t-shirt, a really nice like midi skirt, and around your waist, or again around you here. The leather just feels lovely as well. So there's a Louis Vuitton one that I think is absolutely stunning, and I think Jerusha from Jerusha Couture just showed in her haul, and I would love to get that one, but I don't know if I want to invest in one that's so casual. There's actually another YSL one. I don't know why I'm so into belt bags, but there's another YSL one that I really want, and I'm thinking about selling a bag for. So this, I won't lie, I can't remember what this is. What did I buy? It's not cheap either. Okay. You know when you just like can't remember what you bought? Oh, it's a dress. Oh my God, no, I've been looking. Okay, did you see how excited I got? This wasn't on sale either. The only item on sale I got is the shoes, but I thought this was a gorgeous like transitional dress. I don't know if it will fit me. I got a size larger than I normally would. It looks a little bit big, but I kind of thought I'd rather it be big than tight. I feel like I should have gone for the size 10. I got a size 12 just because of my bust, but I feel like I could have definitely gone with a size 10. This is the camera's gonna go all weird. It's a little off the shoulder black dress. I don't wear a lot of black nowadays, but I have a few events coming up and I thought this would be really nice in the day. I will show it to you guys on because I feel like it will look way better. But it's maxi. It was definitely not cheap. It was like £79, which is a lot. But when I think about maxi dresses, I think it's a whole outfit. So you're kind of, yeah, you're spending a lot in the long run, but it's a whole piece that you can just like chuck on and run out the door. I thought this would look really good with a pair of sandals for now, or even like with trainers as it gets a little bit cooler. I do think it's more of a summer dress though, so I'm kind of cutting it fine with like the time of year, but I've been wanting it so much that I just kind of thought, Barb's, just try it on because I have a few events, like I said, going on soon, but it looks big. So we shall see. Then I'm going to show you guys the little bonus items that I wanted to show you guys. I keep like looking down at my hand because I really don't want to forget to show you guys this. I have been wearing this ring the whole month. I went out with the lovely Rochelle. I will leave her Instagram down below, but we went shopping together and I had such a nice day with her, and I think I bought both of these things with her. So this is, and she told me like you have to get this. This is a little, I would call it like a signet ring. Can you guys see there? There we go. And it's got a like bee on the like in the middle of the ring, and I have been wearing this all month long. I wear it to work. When I go and do all my injections and stuff, I just take it off. Like, I feel naked without it. It's just become my ring. I stupidly have washed my hands with it because I wash my hands at work like a million times a day. So it still hasn't gone like blue. Look at my hand there, there's your proof. So I've been really lucky there, but I'm crazy with this kind of thing. Like, I'm desperately thinking of buying another one just to have in case this one goes funny or I lose it or something, because I'll be gutted. It just fits my finger really well, and I'm so into this whole like load of gold jewelry thing, and this just kind of adds something to, you know, like my love rings that I love and wear every day. So this ring I will definitely link down below. It wasn't super expensive. It was about £17, and like I said, if you're a crazy, if you wash your hands all the time, like I said, as I have to, it hasn't gone green, so that's great. And then lastly, please I don't want any of you guys to like shout at me, because this product I think is sold out. I know it's taken me a month to get on here and show it to you guys, so I'm really sorry, but I have shown it on my Instagram and I will leave a photo of me wearing it here. But this is the And Other Stories skirt that I feel like everyone and their mum has. As I said, I've had it for about a month and it's just gorgeous. As you can see, I'm loving prints at the moment. Can we just appreciate the skirt? It is stunning. As soon as I saw it, I had to have it. I ordered it in a size 10, and mind you guys, I have big childbearing hips. Like, yeah, my hips don't lie basically. So I kind of am in between a size 10 and 12. This is the 12. So when I went out with Rochelle, I bought this one and I've returned the 10. So the 10 is swimming around the Other Stories stock somewhere for someone to grab if they ever put it back on the website. But I think I might get this taken in because it is definitely, the 10 was so skin tight on me where I could never have like tucked anything else into it. So the 12 is definitely a better fit. It's just super big on the top for me, but I think I'm going to invest in getting it taken in, because this, like at this moment in time, I've been wearing it with a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt and like slides, but in the kind of transitional time, this with a chunky knit, with a leather jacket. Oh my god guys, it's gorgeous. It's just one of those things that if you can get it, definitely go and grab it. Don't hesitate. I will try and link some similar silk skirts down below. I don't know if I'll find the same, like a similar pattern, because it's just one of those things that, you know, it's a hard one to dupe. But if you can find a plain black silk skirt, like a coloured one, definitely go for it, because I feel like these are the item of the season. A silk skirt, like a midi one, is just, it's like your guys. So that, guys, is my And Other Stories unboxing. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do go and check out Shop Tagger down below. It really is a great app, and you guys know I only work with brands that I love and that I find are doing a great job. So I will see you guys all in my next video. Definitely check out all the links down below, and I will see you all soon. Take care. Bye.